Hey everyone, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to make a Google Meet call. Also, if you want to know how to be more productive online, make sure to check our free productivity resources below and also sign up for our free productivity newsletter. But now let's see how to make a Google Meet call. So the first step is open Google Meet and click on the new meeting button. You will get several options. Create a meeting for later. This generates a meeting link to share and use later. Start an instant meeting, begin a meeting right away, and schedule in Google Calendar. With this option, you can set up a meeting for a future time via Google Calendar. Once your meeting starts, you will see a meeting link. Copy the link and share it with participants via email. To join your own meeting, click Join Now after starting it. Others can join using the link you have shared. Your Google Meet call is now live and you can invite others by sharing the meeting link. Alright, so all in all, this is how to make a Google Meet call. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Make sure to check out our AI productivity prompt database that you can download for free and which contains over 1,100 plus AI prompts that can help you to improve your personal and work productivity. Also, we have a free weekly productivity newsletter that you can sign up for below. And last but not least, if this tutorial was not up to date, make sure to check our more detailed and updated tutorial blog post, which you can also find in the video description below.